Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial for you guys today, but as you can see, I already have my makeup done, something different. Just decided to try something new. So let's just jump right into it. So for the style I'm going for, I'm gonna go ahead and part off the front section of my hair because this is the part that I'm gonna be doing the cornrows. Now I'm gonna hold this part away in a hair tie while I work on the back. Now I'm gonna do some cornrows in the back, and this is not like a style, this is just to get the hair down so I could have something to sew the hair on in the back, because that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be sewing on some extension in the back. So I found this braiding here from Janet, I think Janet Collection, and because it's number 30, like the hair I'm gonna be using in the back, that's the reason why I bought it, no other reason. And it was cheap too, and it was like the closest thing to match the hair in the back. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using to braid the front of my hair. To braid my hair today, I'm going to be using my BTL braiding gel, and this is going to definitely help my hair to blend with the synthetic hair. I also use it on the root of my hair to make my parting look so much nicer. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some fading braids in the front. I haven't really done any in-depth tutorial on feeding braids, but I'm gonna keep this clip very slow, or at regular speed, so you guys could see exactly what I'm doing here. Smiling face, cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, cause baby I love it's natural. This is for my baby. Stressed out, you couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself, I think you're beautiful. I don't Now on to the other side. And as for parting the front of my hair, the direction the braids are going in, it's just freestyle. I didn't have like a desired style that I had planned out. I just knew I wanted some going to the left and some going to the right. Now on to the other side. To be honest, I wasn't very enthusiastic about the way I parted my hair. I felt like I could have done a little bit better with the parting, but you know what? Maybe next time. I'm still getting the hang of it, I guess. Now before I do anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp, and I'm gonna be using the Scalp Finishing Oil from BTL. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick the consistency of the oil. I really like it because it's not thick, and when I apply to my scalp, it just get everywhere without me having to apply too much. So it definitely does last me a long time. So because I have so much of my scalp exposed in the front and the back, I thought now would be a good time to go ahead and apply the oil. And using this applicator make it so easy. As you can see, I just squeeze it onto my hair or on my scalp. So easy. This is the hair that I'm going to be using in the back. It's called Bloom Bundles. I don't know much about it. I came across it in the store and I thought it would be perfect to use. I'm gonna go ahead and sew it onto the back of my hair. Yeah, I haven't done sewing in my hair in so long. Ever since I leave New York, I haven't done this, and that's like 4 years ago. So just bear with me, okay? But yeah, I used to do a lot of sewing when my hair was relaxed, but ever since I went natural, I leave that alone. I'm not gonna get too in depth with this part. As long as you guys get the idea, that's all that matters. Showing y'all how to do a sewing would be a whole nother video, and that's something you guys would have to request from me because today is not that video. Now that I got all the hair in, I'm using this pick comb to loosen up the curls so it could look a little fuller. Now I'm just trimming a little bit off of it, not too much, just enough to give it a little bit of shape to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my edges using this edge control from Edge Effect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some wrap lotion because you know this is what's gonna make my hair look so nice and neat and frizz free. After I add it on, I'm gonna tie it down for a little bit just so it could, you know, stay put. And this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and added some hair jewelry and I also added some earrings and that completed it, and voila. I'm actually really liking the way it turns out, but I would love to hear from you guys as usual what you think about this hairstyle. So I tried doing my makeup before my hair, you know, just to see how that would turn out. But honestly, I did not like it, and I don't think I would ever do that again. But I mean, you never know. I just did not like doing it that way. I mean, for a style that's much easier to do, I think it's okay. But for something that's gonna take this long, I don't think it's a smart idea to do makeup before hair at all. But you know, sometimes you live and you learn. You gotta try before you know it. So. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment box what you think about the hairstyle, what you think about the hair, the color. I absolutely love the color, but I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know if there's something that you are willing to try. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I would love to hear them and I will respond to them as soon as I possibly can. I will link the information on the products I used today as usual in the description box below. Most of the products I use are from BTL. As you guys already know, I'm always using their products. I love them. One of my favorite products from what I use today is their oil, and definitely if you're gonna get box braid or anything that puts any kind of tension on your scalp, I highly recommend that you use some kind of scalp oil, just you know, to protect your scalp and your hair while you're wearing that protective style. As usual, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!